Radio material relating to the offshore islands of Donegal and going back to the 1950s has been gathered together in a unique archive project by Donegal County Council. It includes material from RTE and also some previously unseen private footage from island families.
Another time, another way of life. And now for the first time, film and audio recordings from the 1950s to the present, which chart the social history of islands like Gola and Tory, have been brought together in an archive created by Donegal County Council.
We've 40 hours in total here, which gives a good understanding of island life and the struggles that have been undertaken by island populations on an ongoing basis to maintain their populations and maintain their way of life.
Viewing the material at the launch of the archive brought back memories for people like Mary Malloy, who left Iniskeeragh in 1953.
When you look back, it was very sad to see chickens in boxes and nets over them and then coming to the mainland and going to your other home. It was sad.
Archive material from 10 Donegal offshore islands is included in the collection, and it will be available to view free of charge on Tory and Arannmore islands and on the mainland in Gaoth Library. Most of the material came from the archives of RTE and Radio na Gaeltachta, but there's also previously unseen material donated by some island families.
That was the American way. I suppose they thought in those years, they'd never come back again, and they didn't, a lot of them, but the ones in the film actually came back maybe 30, 35 years later. The footage has been basically in the attic, It kind of moved around with me, because I knew it was important to keep.
Eileen Magnier, RTE News, Gaoth Dobhair.